Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows system32 config system is missing or corrupt. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is hit search, then we need to type in CMD, command prompt, right click it and run as administrator. Click yes. Then we need to type in here FC, enter /scan now, then hit enter. This is going to take some time. I think about, depending how fast your computer is, probably up to about 5 minutes I would say. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to you for the next step. Alright, so once that scan has completed, we need to type in check disk, so CHKDSK, enter /F, enter /R, click enter, and now we want to click Y, and then you want to restart your PC from here. But keep watching this video because there's a few important steps while your PC is restarting. Now as your computer is turning on, it's going to say to skip disk checking. Press any key within 4 seconds, let that run out, don't press any keys. You want to run that scan, so you let that scan run, and then once that is done, that will take you back to Windows and your problem should be fixed.